Excuse me, sir.
Yes, madam?
I am sorry to bother you, but eating here is not allowed.
Not allowed? Really?
Yes, sir. In the minibus, we cannot eat food.
Oh, I did not know that.
It's okay. Many people don't know.
Why is it not allowed?
Because this is public transport.
Hmm,
Food can make a mess.
I see.
The smell can be strong for other passengers.
Yes, I understand now. But I am very hungry.
Oh, I see.
I worked since early morning.
That is hard.
I had no time for breakfast.
No breakfast?
No breakfast, no lunch, only work.
That sounds very tiring.
Yes, I am tired and hungry.
I understand your situation,
Thank you.
but maybe you can wait a little.
It is difficult, but I will try.
Thank you so much.
I am sorry if the smell is strong.
Don't worry. Thank you for being polite.
Next time I will eat before I travel.
Yes, that's a good idea.
Or maybe I will eat after I arrive.
That is better for everyone.
You are right.
Thank you for understanding, sir.
And thank you for explaining so kindly.
Have a safe journey.
You too. Have a nice day.
Hi, is this seat free?
Yes, it's free. Please sit.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's a nice bus.
Yes, I like this bus. It's fast.
Do you take this bus every day?
Almost every day. I go to work.
Oh, where do you work?
I work in a bookstore downtown.
That sounds nice.
And you? Do you work or study?
I study. I'm a college student.
What do you study?
I study computer science.
Wow, that is interesting.
Do you live near here?
Yes, I live 2 stops away.
Oh, that's close.
Yes, very close. And you?
I live a little far, maybe 20 minutes.
Do you like the city?
Yes, I do. It's big, but people are friendly.
That's true. The food is also good here.
Yes. I like the burgers here.
Me too.
What is your name?
My name is Emily. And you?
My name is Jack. Nice to meet you, Emily.
Nice to meet you too, Jack.
Do you want to exchange phone numbers?
Yes, why not?
Okay, my number is 555-1234.
And mine is 555-678.
Great. I will text you.
Okay. Oh, this is my stop.
All right. Have a good day, Emily.
You too, Jack. See you soon.
Bye.
Excuse me, young lady? Excuse me? Can you hear me?
Hmm? What?
Your phone is a little loud. Could you turn it down, please?
Oh, okay.
Thank you. Sorry, but the sound is still loud. Can you make it lower?
Just 1 minute. I'm watching.
But this is public transport. People want quiet.
I don't think it's so loud.
For me, it is loud. And maybe for others too.
I want to finish this video.
Young lady, please respect the rules. No loud music here.
Lie. It's only a short video.
Because other people are tired. Some people want to rest. Enough! Turn the volume down now.
Oh, okay.
Thank you. That is better.
Sorry, sir. I didn't think about others.
Please remember, on the bus, no loud sound. Use headphones.
Yes, I understand now. I'm sorry.
Good. Respect others, and the bus will be peaceful.
Okay, sir. I will remember. Hey, excuse me.
Yes?
Can I talk to you for a minute?
Sure. What is it?
You are smoking here.
Oh, yes. I am.
But you cannot smoke here.
Oh, really? I didn't know.
Yes, smoking is not allowed here.
I am sorry. I did not see a sign.
It is okay, but it is important. Parks should be clean and safe.
Yes, you are right. I will not smoke here again.
Thank you. Do you want to throw away the cigarette now?
Yes, I will. Where is the trash can?
There is a bin near the bench over there.
Thank you. I will go there.
You are welcome. Do you come to this park often?
Yes, sometimes. I like walking here.
Me too. It is very nice and quiet.
Yes, and many people come here with children.
Exactly. That is why smoking is not allowed.
I understand now. I will be careful.
Good. Do you want a piece of advice?
Yes, please.
If you want to smoke, go to a smoking area outside the park.
Okay, I will do that. Thank you for explaining.
You're welcome. I hope you enjoy the park.
Thank you. You too.
Learn English with Allicia.